Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to add text box color in Zoho Writer. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Zoho Writer document. Then go to the three dot drop down menu. Select the insert option. Now we can see here a text box. Select this. Then select the text box option and click inside the text box. Write anything. Now I am write some text. Then select the text box and go to the text box option menu, and we can see here the border color, and we can see here the background color. You can choose any background. Now I am select this background. Now we can see we add color to text box easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.